Another complication for smokers to think about, coming up next. Smokers with new back pain less likely to recover and likely to develop chronic pain. Aaron White, writing for Northwestern University, reported, if you want to avoid chronic back pain, put out the cigarettes. A new Northwestern medicine study has found that smokers are 3 times more likely than non-smokers to develop chronic back pain, and dropping the habit may cut your chances of developing this often debilitating condition. Smoking affects the brain, said Bogdan Petri, lead author of the study and a technical scientist at Northwestern University. We found that it affects the way that the brain responds to back pain and seems to make individuals less resilient to an episode of pain. This is the first evidence to link smoking and chronic pain with the part of the brain associated with addiction and reward. The study was published in the journal Human Brain Mapping. My comment, basically, the message is this: if you smoke, you gotta quit. Thanks for watching.